Welcome back. This is a Mk1 Mini that we haven't seen for a while. Let's crack on and do something. Sorry guys, you haven't seen it for a while. I sort of balls this video up, so I'm recording this after I've done all my work. My intro bit's gone, don't know what happened there. Bloody fat fingers. But anyway, what I had left was those two studs that hold the shock absorber mount on. Studs, they're bolts, but they're sheared off. So they left them last time, so they weren't coming out very easily. So we need to crack on with that. And also try the inner A panel and try and get some tacks on that, because that's, you know, holding me up now. And just repairing the inner wings as well. All these little things are just holding me up doing the front end. And yeah, so that's what we need to do. We'll crack on with that. Okay, if you remember from the last episode, we had trouble with the studs, so we've got them out now. In the end, I went from this side. In the end, I managed to get some weld on them without damaging the or welding the nut to the actual block, you know, thread block. So we managed to get both studs out. They're still hot. I didn't film that because I didn't know if it was going to be successful. So yeah, so that's good. Got those bolts out. Stainless one's all wound in, so that's all feeling good. Yeah, so it's a case now of finishing off repairing these front sections, I think, so in the right position to go and put the wings on and everything, so we can then try the front end again. I think that was it. We've done those stud holes, so they're the tricky bits to get at. We'll get the old shot blaster to get all this, because I think you should be able to do that. We'll have it on the spit hopefully, and then we'll be able to get from the underside. And oh yeah, and what we've got to do next is put the inner A panel on as well, the other side, which we've been cutting apart and mullering all over the place, which hasn't helped either, but we'll see how we go on that. So anyway, let's try and finish this bottom corner off a section down there, and yeah, try the front end again. Who's pulling up there, eh? Okay, I've finished that inner wing off for as much as I need to at the moment. I can finish off the little end bits when I get the front end on, and we can get it back on the spit, rolled over. I can just make sure they're all right. And yeah, so we've got to move on to the other side now. We've got that hole to fill there, which is where it's been cut out, where the original front panel welds to. People just chop that section out with the angle grinder to remove the front end, and yeah, we get that done, and we'll look at the inner wing as well, the inner A panel. Okay, I haven't welded it on yet, but I think I'm happy as I'm going to be with that inner wing. It's tightened up. A panel still looks pretty good, so I think we're just going to go for it, and that's where he's going to weld it on. So yeah, I might get some tack welds on it, get a few welds, and then what we'll do is we'll try the front end before we take the front end off for the last time and weld it back on again, because what we want to do is put the front end one more time, clamp it on, make sure I'm happy once we get into the right position. Hopefully we'll take it off one more time, finish off the little bits of welding before while we've still got a chance to tweak a little thing. So we get a couple of small stitch welds on that, just to hold it in position so I can take clamps off, and then we'll try the front end again and see what it's looking like before we close up shop for the day. Okay, it's getting there, getting it slowly clamped on, a bit low, just at the top here, a little bit low the other side on the scuttle, maybe these wings are a little bit lower, but we've also noticed this side's had a little bit of a ding anyway. It definitely doesn't fit as nice this side, but it's not too bad. I can work with it, that's for sure. Just can work with that. So I've just gone around and marker pen. There's a few bits that I just need to trim up a little bit, just stopping it going down a little bit more. The A panels look like they're lining up well as well, so not too bad. Yeah. What we'll do is we're just making a little template up as well to go down in this bottom corner as well, which we're missing. And yeah, go from there, see what the time is. Okay, gonna wrap that one up today. So yeah, panel gaps getting there. I'll show you the best side because why would I show you the worst side, so that's all good. Yeah, so next time, let's get the front end off for the last time, finish the bits that we need to do. And then the front end can finally go on, and then we've just got a little bit of fettling to do on this door and the door skin and the door frame, just the door shuts, so we'll work out what we're doing with that, and then we're nearly back there. So we then need to get it back on the spit, we need to get the box cross member fitted, and yeah, oh, and we need to finish up welding up the A panels as well, don't we? We've only got some tacks on those at the moment, so we'll get some decent welds on those, grind that all off, and then call Mr. Shop Blaster. Oh, how many times I've been saying that. Anyway, have a good Monday night, guys. There will be lots of race car videos still over the next month or so, so I do apologise if you've been watching the restoration ones, but you just have to bear with me. We will get this done, and yeah, just watch the videos you want and don't watch the ones that you don't want. Cheers, boys.